Hey shorty, I don't mean to interrupt. Felt the need to say what's up. Not sure if that is the need for me to be us, but I've been distracted here and there. All of my actions make it clear I can't write a song for you to save my life, and it's fucking weird. Usually words they write themselves when the topic is a woman. Hell, you know it well. Hand in your lap, they'll never know how hard I fell. That's what Riley would say, but what did she know? She was only 8, although at that age our minds are infinite. Think about it sideways. My apologies, I ramble. Autonomy to follow. I bit a fucking bullet. Surprisingly, I'm not hollow, but you're already privy from all of the talking with me. My thoughts move like the sound of an N1 game at 50, and right now you're the arena and you make up all the backdrop. Are you even listening, girl? This is a bad spot. Yeah, you make it treasure inside my wasteland. I think that I should lock you in my basement, 'cause I'm crazy. Crazy over you. And you know it's true. Yeah. 'Cause I'm crazy. Crazy over you. Gotta know it's true. Hey shorty, I don't mean to interrupt. Felt the need to say what's up. I trust that you've got yourself off in the cut. Study until you're in a rut. Buried in it, no King Tut. Proud of you, you little cute butt. I've got it so bad that I think I'm going sweet and stuff like a buttercup. So you gotta quit giving me all this life, man. Ain't that a bitch? All over maturely, surely a worthy type shit. Up early, squirrely, curl you to have a good morning or a good night. Be my relief when I am stressing. Been with me through a hardship as I tell over depression. I've seen the best relations maintained well from nothing but communication. Are you getting connection, girl? 'Cause I'll be patient. I'm hoping that you get it. I'm banking that we'll make it, but I fucked up my credit, and that is why I give you everything I got until a nigga spaz out. 'Cause when you leave me, my life returns to a madhouse, and I need you back. 'Cause I'm crazy. Yeah. Crazy over you. And you know it's true.